Alright. Let's get some... Damn it. Okay. Okay. Alright. Oh, fuck. Alright. Damn, man, Tau is booming right now. Blue right past my limit order. Kind of annoying. I want to see if it's going to tag me again here. Come on. I lose on that last one. 13. Jeez. Come on. Been trading like shit this weekend, honestly. Need a couple of bangers though. get back up. I feel like this thing's looking for. I'm gonna check K6. One sec. Just signing into my account, so I'm hiding the screen for a second. Alright. Futures. Sorry guys, okay. Here, I'll screen back on. This is a decent amount of resting liquidity here at 288.57 and at 289.20, so I feel like it might go up to that level. Usually these liquidity levels end up being kind of like magnets. Kind of gapped up on me here too. It'd be nice to see if it pulled down. I might honestly, if it pulls down to my entry, I might just hop out and readjust. Oh. Small hammer forming on this 3-minute candle. Come on, retrace a little bit lower for me here. I think it's gonna pop up here. Fuck. Judging by, let me check out this. Yeah, so there's like 645,000 worth of short liquidity at 288.80. It's not doing me any favors here. I feel like it's gonna act as a magnet, pull price up there. I think I entered the short a little too early. Son of a bitch. Come on, give me a red candle. Give me a red candle. Fuck. No luck this weekend, man. No luck at all this weekend, dude. It's getting frustrating. Alright. Re-entered short at this liquidity level here, above 280, 289. See if I can retrace 283. Yeah, 288.80 is where all that short pressure is, so okay, look at that, up 20%. Could be worse. Come on. Terrible trading by me this weekend. Just been impulse buying and rushing into trades when I shouldn't be. It's been fucking me over, but I'm gonna learn to. I gotta just keep entering trades at liquidity levels to make it a higher R&R, and then go from there. Because I think I've just been too trigger happy when it comes to entering new positions. Even this one, I mean, this at least it had the liquidity sitting there, so it's not that much of an impulse buy, but at the same time, Jesus, man. Time is at 2:44. Okay. Putting in his tighter stop here. That way if it continues up here, it can just re-enter. Minimal damage. Still up 10% though, so. This music is boring the fuck out of me. Fuck. I might get clipped here too, yeah. 289.30. I got a stop set at 290.45. See if we can't reject that. Come on. Give me a rejection here. Where's BTC right now? fuck? If you look at Bitcoin's chart right now, it's doing the exact opposite as Tau. So Tau's showing relative strength to BTC for whatever reason, but this thing's been absolutely booming in the last few days. It's up like probably almost 60% now on the week. So I'm figuring maybe there's a lot of liquidity sitting at 300. If this doesn't, I feel like there's going to be a lot of people chasing here for the move up to 300. So it could be a good place to short. Either that or maybe just above 300 to get maybe a good 20% short on it. But it's going to be about probably taking several paper cuts before I can time the top. Just have to keep going back and checking liquidity and seeing how price reacts. BTC is dumping right now. Looks like a liquidity sweep here on Bitcoin. Watch, look at 71.36. It went as high as about 72. I feel like it's going to test here around 71. It'll go below all these for people who have stop losses below like 71.2. It'll retrace below there, and then we'll see a continuation to the upside. Alright, getting a decent red candle on Tau, up 30%, down to 287. Yeah, see beyond 288, the next like major liquidity level, 294, there's 2 million sitting short there. And then after that, it's kind of like open season to, I guess, almost 320. It'd be nice if we targeted 282 from 289 here. This little liquidity shelf. But since we broke out of here, there's a couple million here. $287.20. Probably be my first take profit zone. See where that lines up at the bottom of this candle. Wow, actually, damn, it retraced as low as 286.70 while I was checking Bitcoin. See if it's gonna test these lows. Right now it's like testing the top of that candle. Like, what was that, 20 minutes ago? Up 35 here. I'm gonna move my stop loss to entry. At least there's no risk on this now. If it knifes though, I should get a decent payout from it. Hey buddy, come here. Looks like 286.66 is the level to break below. Well, at the previous high of this candle, so whatever that was here. 287. Oh, here we go. We tested below. 286.50. Now I'm up 50%. Nice. Some volume. Actually, some volume just came in. That might have been a buyer. 285.70. Damn. Fuck. Yeah, see, this could be a potential buy zone now here because that looked like when that volume came in, that looked like that was a decent sized buy. Judging by the bounce when it moved up like that. Maybe I'll just take my profit here, close it out, and wait for another retest up. I just don't want to get faked out. Fuck no. See, look at buyers still stepping in on this candle. We got like a hammer on the 5-minute, hammer on the 3-minute. I don't like that. I don't like that this resistance zone here is turning into... Damn, went from up 50% to up 35. So I lost like 15% on that little bounce there. Kind of annoying. BTC's still diving right now. Fuck. Yeah, bounce out of that zone. Should have taken my profit there. I don't know why my MACD is so compressed, like... What is this, 3-minute? Let me check on my phone. Fuck. I moved my stop up to cover the fees. At 289.28. Come on, give me a fucking drop here. Feel like it's gonna take my stop out. Yeah. Alright. Well, I'm out. At least, with some profit. $290.50. $290.80. Grab the quick short here. see what we're gonna do. BTC looks like it might be finding a bottom here at 71.3. Hey. Yeah. So. He's 106 people. They are. They definitely are bots. Again? It's a goddamn dog. $291 looks like it's becoming resistance on Tau right now. This doesn't look like a bad place to long Bitcoin at 71.3. Holy shit. Damn, it went right up to that 292.80 liquidity and rejected. can see is you and your arm in the background. What are you talking about over there? You gotta do what the commercial says. I can't believe this. I mean, this liquidity map thing on KSEX is actually so good. Let's see, there's 1.2 million short here. It went up directly to that price and rejected. Right where that liquidity was sitting. Should have just held off and waited to have a limit short. If I had a limit set short right there, I would have already been up 50% instead of 25. Live and learn, I guess. Just getting used to using these liquidity maps to help with my trading. Needed to add a new edge because I felt like I was just falling behind while other people are using these tools. So let's see if we're gonna make a lower low here. Yep. Lower low hits.
What's Bitcoin at right now?
Thanks for asking, chat. Bitcoin is at 71.4. W's in the chat for the long call out at 71.3. It went up to 72, but rejected super hard. Looks like a liquidity sweep. Bringing it back down to 287 here. Let's see if that's gonna touch. Where's the next major liquidity level? 286.50, and then 281 has a decent amount of resting buy volume. Maybe I should just take this base hit, 40%. Need to take a winner here, but I know as soon as I close this out, it's going to dump right to 285. I just know it. Alright, up 50%. $287.14, $287.07. Yeah, it's bouncing off that level. If we have a meaningful 3-minute close above 287 after this, I'm gonna close out. That'll be the move. It's that previous resistance. Fuck it, closed it out. Taking the win. erase that last loss at least. Might take a small long here. Alright, instantly up 15%. That was a good move. Looks like that level there ended up holding off pretty well. I might just take this 20% in 2 minutes here. Not even. Fuck. Lower high on the 3 minute. Rejecting 289. I move my stop up. I'm only risking like 5% now, so if I get stopped out, it's no big deal. I'll just look to enter somewhere lower into that gap. I think I'm gonna get stopped out there, yeah. Kind of annoying, but whatever. Gee, and it went right back up. Like, come on, give me a break. Back in where?
Oh, yeah, I see that. Did you put one in the deck below? Did you put one in the deck?
Okay, I'm gonna put a limit order here at 280. What is that level? 286.50. Okay, I put in a limit order there at 286.50. ETH looks like it's about to move. Oh shit! I didn't even see that the people were talking in the chat. What's up, guys? Yeah, I think that was a liquidity sweep, honestly, in my opinion. Hey, Kieran, how's it going, bro? Damn, am I late to the party here? Let's see if my long will trigger. I'll put a stop at 285.60 probably. My long should have triggered. What the fuck? Like, I'm 90% sure my long should have triggered there. In my opinion, I think it's going to hit to 73 first. That's my... judging by looking at the liquidity, like, I'll show you in a second here. I'm just trying to see if if my long's going to hit on Tau right now. But judging by like where resting liquidity is right now, it seems like there's a pretty strong magnet up to 73. But it needs to hold over 72. Which it just like failed pretty hard at doing, but in my opinion, they weren't going to just like make it too easy on everybody. They weren't going to just send it straight up there. There's most likely going to be a liquidity sweep, which there ended up being in the last half hour or so. So my guess is that 73 before 69. We're at like 71.4 right now. Is this long gonna trigger or what? There we go. Watch ETH Pro. Okay, I'll take a look at it. Sorry, I've been locked in on Tau. Just scalping it. Give me 2 seconds, I'll pull up the ETH chart. Oh, look at that. Nice 3-minute candle here. RSI is curling up. You got that liquidity. See, I'm telling you, this is all just liquidity sweeping. Like, look at this red candle here, and then instantly it pumps. That's just people attack. Like, if I'll pull up the liquidity on ETH right now. You can see here, like, this is the 24-hour heat map. There's 30 million worth of resting liquidity at 21,114. So we rejected pretty much just above that. There's another 20 million at 2117. And rejected that, came back down. There's a little shelf of liquidity here. Excuse me, at 2088 and V-shape recovery. I'll bring it to the 12-hour. You can see it even a little bit closer, but there's a huge amount of resting liquidity sitting at 2115. And it looks like there's another massive shelf here around 2140. So I wouldn't be surprised to see it pumped at 2140. Judging by how these liquidity shelves have been playing out. They act as like magnets because there's so much money in there, and if there's a gap in between, that's when usually price like moves up quicker. So I don't know. I'm guessing that a push now after that liquidity sweep to the downside is going to push it back up to around 2140, especially if it breaks through 2117. And I'm doing all right. Thank you for asking. Thank you for asking. I've been slowly just doing my thing, you know. Had a shitty trading weekend this weekend, I'm not gonna lie though. Getting my ass kicked. Hoping to turn it around come tomorrow and the rest of today, but I got my ass kicked this weekend. It was kind of more embarrassing because I was started off my first copy trading $100 account and blew it in 2 days, which is annoying, but what's up, big dog? You want to say hi to the people? Not like that. Okay. Never mind. I'll keep my eyes on ETH though. Where's BTC right now? Sorry, I have to widen up this chart. That's giving things away. Yeah, I know. Sometimes you just get on a... You know what happens is, as much as you try to keep that psychology good, I'll lose a couple trades in a row, and then you're chasing the dragon, right? You're like, well, if I hit this next one, then I'll make back the losses from the last one, and so on and so forth, and then you just end up fucking yourself over. Oh, look we're bouncing off that liquidity shelf on Tau right now. Beautiful, I'm up 20% now. I think I've kind of found a rhythm with this strategy. Yeah, if you combine it with like support and resistance flips, and then you look at the liquidity shelves above and below, this is actually working smoothly so far, at least on Tau. BTC, we'll see if this gets another leg up, then, and same with Bitcoin or ETH, then I might not be too far off. Do I only trade 1 minute? No, I try to if I'm scalping, I'll try to time entries on 1 minute. Like I'll pull up my Bollinger Bands, I'll make sure that we're closer to the bottom band, and then I'll enter a trade. But overall, I'm looking at like the 15-minute and stuff like that. When I'm doing these streams, I like to put it on the shorter time frames too, because I feel like it's more engaging seeing the candles, constantly resetting and moving up and forming lows and stuff like that. So I don't know. I figured that like 3-minute candles normally are good. Uh, it's true. I lost 40K in one night trying to chase losses. Or like I know, and you probably had like your initial loss is probably like 10 or 15, right? And then you like make it so much worse by doing that. And then you look back and you're like, damn, I should have just been good with that initial loss. Like, it fucking sucked, but at least it wasn't how much I ended up losing. That's literally what happened to me the other night with this copy trading challenge account. I had it at 100. I got fucked over because one of my stop losses didn't trigger, so I lost like 20 bucks. And then I was like, oh, that was annoying. Place another trade. Stop loss didn't go. I was playing a shitcoin where the liquidity wasn't good. Stop loss didn't trigger right again, and then I ended up being down like $35. I'm like, Jesus, now this is a crazy mountain to climb on a small account. Like on a regular account, doesn't you lose $30? It doesn't matter. But when you're trading from $100, you're like, damn, I'm down 30% now. So I made that back, and then I was like, oh, okay, I'm break even. Now I want to trade just a couple more times to get myself a nice profit so I look like I traded for something today. And that was the bad mistake. Once I got break even, I should have just said, okay, today's not my day, and moved on. But I fucked up and I kept trading, and I just ended up taking like 5 or 6 losses in a row and put myself in a hole that was like, well, now I'm at $50. I gotta double this account to get back to break even. Like, trading with small money like that, like doing those small account challenges is no joke. It's tough. It's really tough. Because any small loss, you're kind of just, like, you have to keep your R&R really tight. Like, you have to like risk like max $5 to make 20 or 15, and then slowly stack those up, and then you can start risking like $10, 15, $20. But I learned my lesson there. I think that it's mostly about liquidity too. Trading on some of these like smaller shitcoins, and they have like no liquidity. So if you put your stop loss in, it ends up stopping you way below it. Just kills your bottom line. I swear to God, it's not as difficult trading large lot sizes. I think it's more difficult trading small. Because at least when I'm trading large, I can leave breathing room for myself. Fuck, I had a short here. What is wrong with me this weekend? Why isn't, okay. I switched to small lots on large time frames now, more time to react, which helps. Yeah, that's smart. Definitely smart. Damn, man. Tao's dumping hard now. Damn, this could be an ugly drop down to 280 actually from here. There's not a lot of resting liquidity. Not a lot of resting liquidity on Tau between here and 281, so maybe it's a liquidity sweep, but I don't see the shelf it's going for. No, you're not distracting me, bro. Don't worry. I'm not actually enjoying the engagement. Sometimes I'm like, is anyone even... I don't know if anyone's watching or paying attention, so it's actually nice to just know that somebody's out there. Hey, cousin. Come here. I added some size to this Tau long. I don't know if it was the best idea, but I'm hoping it's just a liquidity sweep there on that candle and that we're going to push up to 287. I think tomorrow we're gonna see an update on the indexes. I think that'll help your case for BTC and ETH longs. Not 100% sure, obviously. Can't be until we'll see Asia open tonight and then see what that vibe is for Shanghai and Taiwan. But been holding them for 4 days. Problem with that too is like your funding rate starts eating out at your eating away at your profit margins, right? You don't have to deal with theta in futures, like crypto futures like this, but you have to deal with your funding rate. So if you're holding enough size, like every 8 hours, like the funding rate on Tau right now is negative. It's 0.1%. So every 8 hours, shorts are paying out longs. Yeah. Hearing a little bit more rumors about China making a move on Taiwan, that's like my only real worry. They might take advantage of the chaos going around right now with the US and the Middle East and them being a little bit like having their sights set on that region and not as focused on what they're doing. So they might try and take advantage of that. They've shut off exports of oil. So who knows what happens in the next couple days. Hey, Savvy. How was golf? I try to let you know. I know that you're probably pissed that you didn't see that that move up, but I try to let you know. It was actually like pretty soon after you entered that position we popped above to almost 72. So I was like, damn, I hope this guy's seeing this right now. Fuck, we're getting another downside candle on Tau here. Just like that, I'm down another fucking $10. It's driving me nuts. Where's Bitcoin at right now? We actually did get a good bounce off of, up like 200 points off that 71.3. I should have just taken Bitcoin long. I don't know why. I'm messing around with Tau right now. You honestly probably didn't miss too much, Sab. It's not like it broke up to 73. So I wouldn't beat yourself up too much about it. Missed out on a few bucks, but I think that was a liquidity sweep. Same look on Ethereum, like Sean was saying too. Almost the exact same one. Like we're going right up to like that 217 has like 60 something million in liquidity sitting there. I'm long on Tau right now at 284.79. But I'm at 45x, so I'm just getting fucking kicked, like my ass kicked right now. It's at 283.25. Just made a new low. Son of a bitch. Thoughts on Sui? I haven't really been keeping up with Sui recently, to be honest. Let me take a look. Where is it even at nowadays? Since we've kind of entered this bear cycle, I took my eyes off it. Damn, it's at $1. That's crazy. The R&R here is not bad. I mean, this thing was at like $4. When was that? Like June? Fuck, I'm getting killed here on this long. Man, I was short on this literally at I was short on this at 290, and now I'm about to get stopped out for this move here. So stupid. Fuck. Brutal. I'm telling you, this weekend I have zero luck. I'm getting out of the right trades too early. I'm entering the wrong trades. Just sucks. Sucks. In the last hour, I'm down like $70. It's like, what the fuck, you know? And then it bounces. Like, I got stopped out here at 281.92. Literally pretty much the bottom. You can't make this up, dude. You can't make this up. It's bounced like $1. Fuck me. Stick around 99, 101. Yeah, honestly, it's not bad risk reward here if you're gonna hold long term. Because we get another bull market, you'll probably make, like from here, you'll probably make it'll at least probably go back to 2. I haven't kept up with it, but just judging by how far it's fallen. Damn, man. I am pissed. Like, I hope the next couple days are better than this, because this has just been fucking brutal. Can't get winners without losers is definitely the theme of this weekend for me. I'm just like, it's coming, it's coming. I'm due at some point. I'm gonna fucking get the right read here at some point. Has that came yet? No. But it will. Possible we see a breakout to the upside here on Tau, so I'm taking it long, but I have been wrong a couple times here now on this ticker, so I wouldn't take what I'm saying to heart. Just long BTC. Dude, I should have long BTC like 20 minutes ago. I knew that there was a good chance that we bounce there, and I don't know why I didn't just take it. Because if you did, I would have lost. Yeah, you're right. You're right. We can't be combining forces on any of this. That's funny as fuck. 282.70. Come on. I kind of sized heavy on this play, but I put my stop to break even, so if we do bounce off this liquidity shelf, I'll make out pretty well. Up 20 bucks now. Oh, if this is the winner, I'll be extremely happy. I need it at this point. Burned through like 90 bucks. But it's like it's not that much money, but it's just the pile-on effect of the last couple days. Now I'm a little bit more. Now I'm telling you, like right now, because I'm up, I'm like I should just take it because I haven't been I haven't been lucky. I should just take it. But I know if I do, this thing is gonna go to 285 right away, and I'm gonna fucking jump off a bridge. I'm just slowly moving my stop up and up. I'm making sure that if it does pull back, I'm in profit. I'm not taking that chance again. Fuck. Yeah, I should have just go. Come on, let's go. Pump it off of 282.50. Keep it moving. No way. Look at that, dude. It went right to my stop loss. Like, ah. I can't win right now, boys. Watch it. I know, dude. I'm not. I'm used to it, so I re-entered right away, which is a stupid move, but I don't care. Like I'm at that point. My psychology is kind of fucked right now. I should probably just stop. Yeah, I think I'm going to. I just got stopped out again. Lost another like 10 bucks. For what? You know what I mean? Fuck. Trading like a retard right now. Brutal. all good. We'll get this back. We will get this back. And it did, like it fucking bounced. Like what the fuck? Damn. Yeah, I do. If they are, they're dicks. All right. All right. There's a decent sized liquidity shelf at 281.20. Last trade. If I lose here, I'm gonna take a break for a little bit. Just judging off, there's like 2 million worth of liquidity at this level. If they're gonna send it off, it should be from here.
You should see my little.
What's he doing?
On top of the cushion.
Oh.
Doing cushion tingles. I have I'm gonna dinner with Joe.
Oh, you're still doing that? Fucking look who's got friends and shit.
I'm gonna have to shave my legs. For Joe.
You hear that, all 130 people? 170 people now?
This is how I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Do whatever you want to do.
Milo wants attention.
I know. Oh. Yeah, he does. Guys, relax. Jesus Christ.
You see what
This is why I can't stream all the time, because you guys are always around.
Look. Yeah,
Babe, I'm getting my ass kicked today.
Of Bitcoin.
I've been trading this Tau coin.
Why, baby?
It's not why. I'm just shit. I'm just shit. I'm washed. That's why.
This is such a
Yeah.
100.
Let the people know.
Well, what do they want to know?
See, guys, I told you I wasn't gay.
Okay, who's saying you're gay? There might be a little.
Everybody was.
There might be a little truth to that.
What? Alright, get the fuck off my stream. This is a mistake.
Is this mic on?
If I get stopped out of this, I'm done for now. I'm gonna get some food.
Tired because Milo wouldn't let me sleep. Milo, why is my sister snoring so loud all the fucking goddamn time? And I keep nudging you. You would think you'd get the freaking hint.
Leave him alone.
You're lucky.
He's just
you're
the
cute.
he's
You're
just the
lucky.
dog.
Be a statue. Go ahead. Be a statue. Freeze. Get your love like on freeze.
I don't know if I can see. Don't scare him,
the
dude.
other one of you. You're just a perfect child. You're just so perfect. You are just such a.
Can
perfect
you
boy.
go do that somewhere else?
My, you want me to tell you that too? You are a perfect boy. You're just a big snorer. You're just a good boy. Okay, I am the French queen. Follow me. Listen to your leader.
Sorry about the disturbance, guys. Get a girlfriend, they said. Live with her, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Come on, there's a decent liquidity shelf here. Fell down from 292. We're at 282. Give me a little bounce. Just give me a little bounce. I won't even get greedy with it. I'll just target 286, 285, 285.70. If I can get that, I'll be happy. I'll go eat dinner, and I'll come back for Asia session. But I just have a feeling the market won't give that to me. They're going to stop me out. They're going to kick me. They're going to kick me while I'm down. Damn, I didn't realize how fucked up my hair is. Jesus Christ, I just looked at the stream like, oh my god. Fuck. get stopped out. I'm telling you, this comeback is gonna be top tier if we can do it. Down like $100 in the last hour. It's not like crazy. It's not an insurmountable loss, but it's just annoying. We'll make it back. What time are you going out?
I'll leave the house at 5 o'clock. Gonna leave the house
I can't believe it's not 5 o'clock. Jesus.
House at 5 o'clock. Gonna leave the house at 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock.
Okay. I get it. I get it. You're gonna be leaving the house at 5 p.m. in an hour. An hour and 3 minutes cannot come fast enough. I'll tell you that right now. I looked. Don't worry, I've seen.
I gotta go get gas.
Just take my car.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Yes. I'm gonna leave that house at 4:45.
Oh wow. Wait, you're gonna leave earlier when you don't need gas? How does that make sense?
Oh, do you need gas?
No.
I can get you gas.
I filled up yesterday.
I can get you gas with these. With these.
I'm gonna get stopped. Motherfuck. That's the karma for me saying that you can take my car. Then it just runs to my stop loss.
No takes backsies.
Yeah. No takes backsies, alright. Son of a bitch. Look at this. It knifed though, that's for sure. Fuck it, one more. One more. One more. Won't tell anybody, but I just revenge traded one more time. Just one more.
You're so cute. The way you look at me with those bug eyes makes me wonder.
I'm a great boy. Wow, look at chat saying I'm a great boyfriend.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
Sean thinks so.
Oh,
I should be getting more credit around here.
beautiful.
Oh my god, dude. Look at this knife.
Someone wrote bad idea.
Yeah.
Little did
That
they
was
know
about me
I'm
giving
an
you the car.
amazing driver. I drive better than this guy. The car is better in my hands. If you could only see my car,
Chad, if you can see my
you would
face right now.
understand.
Listen, we're not a couples trading channel, all right? So skedat.
But we
If
could
you guys
be.
knew how close she was to the screen right now without being on camera, it's like disturbing. Like, get the fuck away from. Get out of here, dude. I didn't ask for a co-host.
You don't be opposed to it though.
Don't be opposed. Don't tell me what to
to
be.
the idea. It's a good idea.
It isn't. Don't make me dox you
Sure
in
they
your
won't
Twitter
want it.
profile so that everyone can see.
Yeah, let them know. Drop it below. Go and follow me.
You want to see more great takes? Like, I'm a great driver. Why don't you post a picture of your car?
No problem.
Why don't you post a picture of
But
the
it-
current state of your
Yeah,
car?
but like, you have to understand the backstory.
You drove into a cement truck.
It wasn't my fault.
Listen, I told you this isn't Love Island, okay? You need to scooch
It
off.
wasn't my
Get the
fault.
fuck out of here. I'm not trying to.
And listen, the mechanic told me my car is gonna be alive for another 100,000 kilometers.
100,000 years.
Honestly, Honda Civic, reliable. Get yourself one.
Listen, don't talk that close into my microphone. I don't know who you think you are, what you think this is. Get out of here now! Shoo! Go play with that dog. Look how sad he
He
is.
keeps walking around, following me, and giving me that look.
'Cause he's sad.
He's sad.
Like you, my car is fucked. Or her car is fucked too. Don't let her.
That's it.
Don't get it twisted. Her car is in not good shape.
My car's in excellent driving condition.
It can drive. I'll say that.
In excellent driving condition.
Can drive for sure. Okay, leave now. Like, you've given your 2 cents about your Honda.
Do you want to see my dance again?
No, I do not want to see you dance again.
Yeah.
Love you. Bye.
Bye. Hi, Milo. Come on, my guy. Come, let's go.
Guys, is this the winner? Got a nice candle here. Got an injection of volume. Please let this be the fucking winner. Like, I need it so bad right now. I should be up. I should. Damn, man. Do not tell me. Say, this is previous support. No. See, that's not a good sign. It's not a good sign. Didn't want to see what is this, 280.50 become resistance, because see back here, that was support ish. It didn't really hold up though. What a brutal chart. What is this line here? Why do I have that? Oh, that's where I'm like, what is it's my fucking buy-in. Sorry that you guys, whoever's listening, had to be subjected to her tomfoolery. Okay. We're up 20%. Spoke too soon. Come on, no. Let's take a look at liquidity. Just spoken my stress away. Should I move stop up to break even? Possibly. Not exactly break even, but I moved the stop up. I gotta change this music. I feel like I'm falling asleep here. Okay. Look at instant mode vibe switch. And I think we're gonna have an upside candle here. We have a nice hammer forming on the 5 minute. Let me know if this is too loud, by the way, too. Like, is the background music too loud? I can't tell. Come on, pump it. Up 35%. Come on, let's go. Give me a higher high. If we can break over, what is this previous 5 minute candle high? Yes, we did. Nice. Just over 282. Up 50%. Come on. Not fucking bad. We needed this, guys. 282.30. Up $24, $23. I was targeting 285.70. This is my level that I was targeting. It might be a little lofty. Should I just take my profits here and then move on for Asia session? I guess we're just finally getting some buy-side liquidity. Up 55%. Up 26 bucks now. Hell yeah. 283. God, we needed this bad. Up 60%. Up 30 bucks. Dude, as soon as I changed the music, what's up with that? What's up with that? Like, for real, the vibe changed instantly. 283.90. We're up 70%. Let's go. Whoa, 284.40. Up 80%. I'm checking my thing, because I think that if it gets up to 285.70, I only make like 50 bucks anyway, so maybe 47. So that's like $14, $15 more than I'm up now. I might just take this. Fuck, I should have. Babe, don't come around messing up the vibe. The vibe has just changed. The vibe just went back up.
I'm just trying to understand why my messages aren't like showing up in your chat.
Say, are you signed into your YouTube channel?
No, that's why.
That's probably it. Is it worth the hold to this next move for $12? I don't think so. I think I'm just gonna take 75% and feel like less of a loser for this trading session. You should have seen it. I changed the music and instantly I got this massive upside candle. It was, oh wow. Dude, there's chicks in the chat rooting for me now. Don't want to make you jealous or anything, but this girl called me honey.
Who is she?
I don't know. I think she's hot though. 284.45.
Oh, yes.
Up 38. Damn. I should have just closed it right there. Come on, give me over 284.50 again. I'm just gonna take this.
I need the computer. The guy wants me to hop on for that interview.
Right now?
I'll just tell him later.
Yeah. Tell them we're doing big, important business things right now. Fuck, I think we hit a wall here at 284.40. Yo!
Is it too loud with the door closed?
No, it's fine. There we go. 284.80, 284.90, 285. Up 90%. I am taking it. We got our winner. Damn, it gave me a shit fill though. What the fuck? Milo, it's all good. We just made money actually. Okay. Needed that. Made a quick 50 bucks. So I cut those losses in half with the one trade. So at least that was decent. Walked away with 85%. I got a shitty fill. I should have got 90, but market order fucked me. should definitely be up a lot more. To be honest, I'm gonna try and add up my losses and my wins right now and see what my return is for this last couple hours. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. Let's see. Damn. Never mind. I was actually down a little bit more than I thought I was. I was down like 120, so I'm down like 75 now. Could be worse, I guess. Watch this thing's gonna rocket to 286.90 now. The liquidity level did work though. I mean, I just rushed it. I've got to be looking for the bigger ones and to go to take these trades at the bigger shelves, because like I entered here pretty much at 281.20. There's like 1.5 mil. It's a pretty big stick, and then right now price is sitting at 284.90. There's a small liquidity shelf at 284.70 here. Not that big though. The next big one would technically be at 286.80, so maybe I should have waited for there to take off to I can't even talk right now to exit the trade, but whatever. 85%, I can't get mad. I might take a small short here. I'm gonna go like $50, and I'm gonna put a stop loss. Where I got in at 284.97. I'm gonna put a stop at 285.71. This one is just a short. Oh, thanks, Big Tay. Appreciate it. I needed it. I was honestly in the last couple hours of training. I was getting wrecked. This whole down move, I was being an idiot in knife catching. I finally got a decent play when I waited for this to bottom out. I might even lower my stop here, honestly. Yeah. I lowered my stop just a little bit. I don't want to risk too much of the gains that I just made. Keep the R&R high. Milo, what are you doing? You guys want to see something funny? Come here. Oh, my boy. Oh, we're up. Maybe I just needed Milo. Come on, buddy. We need a test 282. How long have you been trading, and how have you been profitable, and have you been profitable during that time? I started trading in 2019, so about 7 years or so, and took me probably 2 years to get profitable, and I've had I'd say like 3.5 profitable years and 1.5 non-profitable years since then. Like I've had some down, like some off periods during that time, but overall, I've kind of found a rhythm. Most of last year, I was getting my ass kicked, honestly. Actually, no. Most of 2024. That was kind of the worst, one of my worst trading years. Milo, though, has been profitable since birth. Look at him on the screen.
They need to see his full body.
His full body won't even fit in the screen.
Did you show them Cosmo?
No, Cosmo's been in the bathroom with you. And I can't pick him up because he'll bite me. Where did I enter this? Oh, okay. What was the low here? What is this? 283.25? Okay, right below that. Hey, what are you doing? I'm up 25% on this one too. What's that price? 280, 288. Leave him alone. What am I doing? 282.88. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna close out the trade. There we go. Let's go. 35% on that one too. So making back the losses. Damn, dude, fucking. I got it at 282.42, 44, and what? Yeah, 282.49, and now it's at 281.65. Heavy rejection. I should have held on a little bit longer, but I was just targeting that previous resistance just in case it flipped to support. 1 second, Milo. We're gonna be done now. Just want to see where I'm. Wow, it bounced off that zone. All right, so I'm only down $50 now. Could be worse. Could be worse. All right, Milo. Look at the camera. Damn, we should have taken that long, Milo. We should have taken that long. It was a good zone. That was a good resistance flip. Okay. How about we play together and I get off? We get some dinner? Alright guys, I think this little guy needs some attention, and I need a little break. So I'm gonna get off, and I'll probably, like, I don't know if anyone's around, tweet at me or say something to me. If anyone's around for like 8 p.m. EST, around that time, I'm thinking about maybe hopping on for a little bit of Asia Open and doing some scalping. Man, I'm really regretting not taking this long here at 281.59, but I guess you can't hit them all. Can't hit them all. Anybody around still? Damn, we got 10 people watching right now on YouTube. That's honestly awesome, guys. I like seriously appreciate everybody showing up. I'm kind of glad you showed up towards the end of it, if you did, because I was getting my ass kicked, but hit a couple good trades in a row there to wipe away a good half of the losses that I took in the first hour and a half. So hopefully we can come back for Asia Open. Man, I have this American guy that just constantly tweets at me talking shit. It's so nuts. Not sick of winning yet in sports and the economy, blah blah blah. Good thing you paid your student loans. Yeah, I paid my student loans and I bought a house. These people are talking about, oh, 13 times your income. It is not 13 times your income. Like, I don't know what it may be in some places in Toronto or Vancouver. They're literally per capita some of the most expensive places in the world to live. So it's like, that's an insane comparison. If you live in any regular Canadian city, you're not. It's the median house price is nowhere close to $300,000. My house is, I mean, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house in a decent neighborhood, and it was 400 Canadian. So what's that US? 400. Let's do the quick math. About 5. Oh wait, shit! I did it the wrong way. So it'd be about 290,000. And my annual income's like I'm pulling in at least 100. So if I'm doing 100, it's 4 times my, you know what I mean? It's 4 times my annual income. That's not that. That's the way less than 13 times. The problem is they aggregate all these, like they take in all these like $1 million, $2 million 1-bedroom condos on the top of high-rise buildings in downtown Toronto. Like, obviously those are going to be much higher than the median household price or the median household income. Of course. Like me, I'm a day trader. My girlfriend's a server. We could make enough money to pay off this house in 10 years. Not even. So I don't know. People just get the. It's like, what if I just took, if you just took, it's like saying the median household income compared to a thing is just California or just LA. And then LA and Manhattan. Downtown LA and Manhattan. What's the median, or the Beverly Hills and Manhattan? Oh wow, the median house price there is 30x the like the American average household income. It's like, no shit. Like, they're 2 of the most expensive places in the world. Sorry, I just went on this tangent, but I've had like this random guy tweeting at me so much in the last couple days, all because I replied to some American politics post. It gets so touchy over the littlest things. Anyway, sorry for being a ranter there for a minute. I'll come back. Well, I don't know. Should I just stay for a little bit? See how price reacts. How long have I been going now? Damn, I've been going for 2 hours. Judging by the 15-minute here, this could have just been a liquidity sweep here on town. We could be looking to go test 290, which will make me silently cry because I probably would have not like $300. Fuck. That would have been a nice trade, especially after my shit streak today, but still looks like it's kind of, I mean, no, never mind. 5 minute just closed over 284.45. Fuck. I was just about to grab a small long here and it... Look at this liquidity injected here. Damn, man, if I held that long that I had from 279, I would be laughing right now. Well, I get, okay, not that much. It's just $1 over where I exited, but... Where am I from, says Kieran. I'm from Windsor, Ontario. It's like, I don't know if you're aware with, like, Michigan and that area, but I'm right across the border from Detroit. Like, there's an American crossing here. So I'm in the most southern city in all of Canada. So technically we're supposed to have the warmest climate. But our warmest climate is Detroit. You know what I mean? So it's not that warm. BTC is pumping a bit. Oh, great. What are we at? See, I'm telling you, I called out that long at 71.3 earlier at like the beginning. Holy shit, yeah, and then... Okay, well at least a couple of my friends took it. Look at that move! Oh my god. Look at that 1 minute chart on BTC. Holy shit. Talk about a... Dude, I'm telling... This is like the most... That was one of the most obvious liquidity sweeps I've seen in a while. Like, especially being on a Sunday. This move down here on the 15 minute, after we tap 72. We tap 72, pretty much, and then right down to 71 too. This move from 73 was money. We're below the 60-day moving average right now. Oh, Savvy. If Savvy's still in here, I know he was in a BTC long too. He's probably fucking happy right now. Did ETH get that same move? Did it go above 1? Yes, it did. Okay, look at this. This is important here too, because we were discussing earlier that major liquidity shelf on Ethereum. Look at this. So, I'll pull up the liquidity heat map. It's kind of hard to see, I guess, on stream, but I'll pull up on the 12-hour one. It'll be a little bit less hard. So you see where this yellow is on my my cursors here. So this yellow is high liquidity. You can see on the left-hand side. So here, just at 21.31, now we've got a big liquidity shelf. Before we had 20 million sitting at 21.18. So the next big level above would be 21.31. You could probably expect that to be a magnet for price right now. So I wouldn't, what do we tap? 21.28. I say we probably have one more push up. It might not be right away in the next half hour or so, but if we do make that move, we should probably see it test this larger liquidity shelf. And then the upside of this liquidity shelf, there's like 100 million more of resting liquidity sitting between 21.40 and there. So that'll probably be a big resistance, that level between 21.30 and 21.40. But if it can break above, then it's going 21.60. And if it can break above that, you're almost clear skies to 2100 or 2200. So big moves, decent volume coming in on Ethereum. Ethereum looks good. There's a couple levels to watch though. 21 between 2130 and 40 is going to be key for further upside. Same for SPY to get above, to stay above. I'd say 72.2 would be a really big watch on Bitcoin. There's like 65 million in short volume, sitting at 72.2, 72,200. So keep an eye on those. Once I do get off here shortly, because I'm too addicted and I have to keep sitting here and watching this, those will be important. Oh, fuck. Look at this. I wanted to take this short. Damn, I looked away for BTC, but right in this zone here, this is a good zone on Tau, between 25.7 and 285.7, sorry, and 286.90. This could be another potential buy zone here at 284.68, but you can see, like, judging by the last, like, I'm looking at the 5 minute, there's an upwick here at 285, 285, came back down, tested our zone, was a great area to buy long, but I just got out of my short there, so I didn't get that move, and then we moved back up 287. Here is going to be important, 284.50. If this can't hold, then I'd expect another retest downside, to the downside. And just like that, it just popped. It popped $1 from when I finished that sentence. It popped right off of that 284.45 level. So you can tell, like, they're using, like, support, resistance is flipping into support, because if you look back here, where my cursor is here, this is resistance here, right, at 284.45, and then it made that upside move, it came all the way back down, tested the lows, and, what is it, I gotta take this off. Tested lows, bounced off the 60-day moving average, and then now it is pulling back up. So big zone here between 286, 285.70 and 287 for continued upside. MACD is curling bullish right now in the 5 minute, and it just started, so you could probably expect a decent amount of, like, this is a pretty nice recovery here. But it's still struggling. So for now, I think it's a sit and watch. It's still struggling in this zone. Like this, I can't move this. Probably have a little bit too much going on this chart right now, but this is another big zone here. I'm going to take a small short here. Bitcoin is flying still. I took a small short on Tau, and I'm gonna put my stop loss above 286. I entered at 286.49 or 39. I'm gonna put it at 287. It could just, I mean, there's a momentum to the upside right now, so I could get stopped out right away, but I feel like it's worth it in this zone. And if I do get stopped out here, this will be my last play for the afternoon. Damn, I got stopped out there. What is this, like, incel motivation Instagram music? I'm gonna have to find something else. This momentum is about to punish the bear. I honestly think you might be right. I'm in a small short again on Tau here just to get out of this zone, just to really make back what I just lost on the quick scalp. I'm up. I pretty much made back what I lost already, actually. $285.20. Honestly, like I don't know what to do. I don't know what to make about that correlation right now, because BTC was completely dumping out earlier, and then and Tau was making new highs. So I don't know. I wouldn't say that they're inversely correlated or anything like that, but it's possible that sometimes you know, some of these algorithms could be bouncing back and forth because Tau's had so much strength over the last week. It's up like 60 something percent now in a week, so they could be rotating over there whenever BTC has a weak moment. Up 30% on this. Look at this red candle. Oh shit! I didn't even realize. My bad, guys. I had you guys sit on the YouTube screen. But I'm up 30% here. Yeah, my bad, my bad, bro. Sorry, one sec. I'm just deciding if I want to take out my profits. I'm gonna move my stop loss. Hey, babe. What? What do you want now?
Since I got my new phone, I don't know if my phone connects to your car.
You can connect it then. Just make sure you do it before you put it in drive, because it will make you
How's it
park the
going?
car. It's going all right. Fuck, I got stopped out in profit there, so it's not that bad. What did I end up making on that? $6. Okay, it's not bad. Just asking. Just let's see this. Just asking because I mostly come from forex stocks where they can be high correlations. I was looking. Most of the time, like, you can see, like, especially like if you're trading during market hours, like SPY and BTC, like, you can see some correlation there. You can see some correlation between BTC and the Nasdaq a lot of the times. But when it comes to like altcoins in this part of the cycle, it's weird. Especially like these high performing ones like Tau has been over the last week. Like, you can't bet that because BTC is going down that it will go down. Maybe I have to just analyze it further and look at some of the charts like side by side and compare them. But like, I think I can overlay them here, and I'll show you. Yeah, here. So I'll compare it to BTC. Oh, what the fuck? That's not what I wanted to do. Here, I'm gonna do it on TradingView. I'll bring up the 15-minute chart on Bitcoin here, right? And we'll do a little comparison. Where's the plus symbol here?
This looks small.
So this blue line is what? Let me see. What? Yeah, it looks a little small, but I think that's like regular for y'all.
It's a crop line, so like. But I
I
feel
don't know
like
if this is the comparison.
it has no purpose.
It really doesn't have any purpose. Does it even have pockets?
It does.
Wow.
Does it look good though?
It does look good, babe. You look great. Fuck. Okay, well, like this blue line here is the performance on Tau, and then you've got BTC down here. I can see that there's some correlation here, judging by the price movements. Like when BTC goes up, Tau really goes up, and when BTC goes down, Tau really goes down. So I guess there probably is a correlation, but it's a little bit exaggerated. I just grabbed another small long. Thank you, man. I really appreciate that. I'm kind of like, I'm not new to streaming. I've streamed a lot in the last few years, but actually I won't say that. I streamed a lot a few years ago. Now I haven't really, I'm trying to get back into it, so I appreciate it. It makes me feel like I'm doing something right, you know? My goal is just to come on and then show you guys some realistic scalp trading and you know, the ups and downs, not just show you the wins all the time, and try and answer as many questions as I can and give my insights, whatever insights I might have. I'll, you know, share them with you. Not gatekeeping anything here. Peter, thank you, bro. Thank you, Peter. Anytime. Think of them as currency pairs. There's always going to be a correlation due to players using each holding to pay for the next trade with other. Yeah, that's a really good point.
Tell my boyfriend he's doing good. Damn, I say it into the camera.
Yeah, you should just say, no, leave everybody alone.
Yeah,
Leave the
leave-
dogs alone. Leave
Do
me
you want me to
alone.
threaten
Leave
them for you?
leave chat alone.
You want me to threaten them for you?
I don't think you understand. That's a light, hon. That's a light.
I know that's a
This
light.
is the camera.
I'm not trying to be in the camera.
This thing here.
If I'm in the camera,
The thing that I refuse to look at.
yeah, and then if I go in the camera, everyone's just gonna want to see me more.
I know I will.
Did you see my latest tweet?
No, I've been busy entertaining the people. What are you fucking tweeting now?
It's just same hoping shit.
Of course. Sounds like my girl. Ooh, we got the close over 284.45. Maybe we're gonna push to 285.72. Yeah.
Are you trading right
285.
Why are you
playing
call?
Tau. Playing the same thing that I've been
Yeah,
playing.
but why?
Look at my-
Why are you playing this?
Because it's up like 60% week this week, so there's really good volume and volatility in it. Was a popular coin like last year? It was almost $700 at one point. Fuck, I'm gonna get such clipped here. Yeah. Whatever. Risk a couple bucks and make a couple bucks. If I put it here, what am I risking? $4. Okay, I'll just put that there. They said we're a good-looking couple. Thank you, Sean. Thank you. I know I hold up most of it. I'm doing most of the heavy
He
lifting
does.
when it comes to that.
Okay, gotta go. If I don't know how to control this, how if I don't know how to.
What are you saying to me? Like you said, every time you talk, it's like I'm talking to a 5-year-old. How do I? What if I test? What if I have to take the?
I swear,
What do you want to say to me right now?
Like, I don't know how to connect it to your car.
You know how to, baby. You just go to the Bluetooth and then add new device, pair new device. That's it. It's simple. It's simple math.
Okay, bye.
Okay, love you. I don't want to kiss on
I know
camera.
you don't.
I don't like that.
No PDA. Okay, kissing off camera.
I'm getting off camera, guys. I don't want to subject you to this. Love you. Now get out of my face and let me be a degenerate in peace. Wait, I actually had good luck a minute ago when I had the dog. Get over here, dog.
Wait, take the other dog. Show him my dog. Hey, everyone. I just literally stole your chair. Come on.
Get out of here.
Show him his baby belly. Okay, Bubba.
Okay.
Mama's gonna cry.
Milo, no, you're doing the opposite effect now. You're gonna make me lose money.
Don't neglect my dog.
Okay. I won't neglect him. I'm just gonna tie him up and leave him in the basement.
Where are your keys?
I don't know. I haven't driven today, to be honest, so I don't know. They're probably somewhere over there. Do you only scalp trade or swing trade too? I do a mix, mostly scalping, but like if I do, like right now, I'm trading high leverage. I'm trading like 45x leverage on Tau, which is high leverage considering it moves quite a bit. But if I'm going to be trading with, let's say, Bitcoin, and I see like a larger long-term move on like higher time frames, then I'll move and I'll try to trade. I'll try and trade something like, you know, 10x, 15x, so I can hold it for a few days. I know, buddy. See, I'm the only day trader that'll day trade with his French Bulldog like this. Who's innovating like this? That's what I want to know, Milo. Who's innovating like us? Everyone doing the same old shit. Me and you? We're gonna be superstars. Look at the size of this guy. Look how big he is. Oh, Milo, you did it. You're the good luck. Dude, he's actually a good luck charm. Milo, we got a nice upside candle there. You need to look at the camera, so. No. Looks like sellers are strong here. If it broke over 285, though, we should see a test over 287 again. But I have a feeling since 285 keeps rejecting, we're gonna go back down to 282. What do you think, Milo? What do you think? Yeah, BTC 71.7, ETH at 2129. Damn, look at, we're rejecting 284 now, fuck. Damn, wow. Look at that candle. I just got fucking... Damn it, Milo. Damn, I lost more than my stop loss did not trigger. Ugh, that's annoying. I hate that. Because it got that violent move to the downside, I ended up losing more than I wanted to. I ended up losing 25% instead of 15. Hate that. And then look at it, it just goes right back down. And I got filled at 283.12. I got filled at 283.12. Look at what the bottom is. I'm telling you, they're watching. They're watching. Like, come on. And it's a insane wick. Like, it's a dollar wick in a minute off of that. But like, you can't make this up. 283.12. I got exited there. What kind of bullshit is that? Dude, and Moon, you're right. Look at 285. I would have been in profit. I hate that, but whatever. Whatever. I can't believe, look at this. That, I mean, textbook liquidity sweep, but I was just on the wrong end of it. Fuck. Actually, dude, it did. Like, look at this candle. It literally went, it stopped me out at the very bottom of that candle. Like, not 1 cent lower did it go. It didn't go 1 cent lower. Rocketed to 285.40. Right now I'd be up, dude, 285.50. Like, come on. What the fuck? What did I do to these market makers? Like, what, is my existence just insulting to them? Like, I'm come on. What did I ever do to you guys? Unbelievable. Yeah, it's rough, whatever. Like, can't help. Sometimes shit happens, right? $286.20 now. Brutal. Brutal move, but whatever. All right, one more quick shot here. 286.93s coming up. Top of the zone. Damn. I got stopped. No way. At 287. I don't know why I keep saying 289. Thanks, Kieran. I hope so. I don't know though. I'm really up and down today. Not playing price. I just can't fucking believe I got stopped out at 283.12 and now we're at 287. Some bullshit, you know? It's just rocketing too. 288 now. 288. Oh my god, 289. Look at this. It went to 289.90. Holy shit. Huge, dude. $7 move off that. I would have been up 100% if I didn't get stopped out. at 282.13 there. Holy shit, 281, 291, and then just reject. I don't know, dude. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty salty I got stopped out. That is fucking annoying. Wind Moon, I fucking don't know. Bitcoin's gonna struggle at under 72 here, but if it can get to above 72.2, then we should probably see a pretty quick move to 74.5, in my opinion. ETH too, like if you can get over to 2140, should probably be not, like next stop should be around 2170, and then if it can get above that, then 2200. I know it sounds like obviously, but there's some pretty big liquidity levels there that we were checking out. Yep, I know. Which is nice. It's the last time that we actually had a decent bull cycle. We had about that many days green as well. Oh, look at this. Finally position going my way. I'm up 25% on this short. Yeah, 72,250. If it can get over 71,170, that's where that like huge chunk of liquidity is sitting. That would be a good place to look. So to take profits on this short. Come on, a little lower. I don't think it's gonna give it to me. No. Alright. Hope you see the sorry, I don't know if my brain's just fried right now from scalping this 1 minute chart, but what do you mean, Kieran? Looks like I made the right move exiting that position there. Jesus, I really did. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at this 1 minute candle on Tau. Holy shit. I got out of that short at the perfect time. Yeah, I do. I was looking at that middle band coming in, so I was like, alright, I'm just going to take this short. I might grab another one right here. I always say I might, like I'm not right about to click the button, but I did. I took another quick short there. It's at the top of our resistance zone. I feel like that was probably a liquidity push to the upside, but I'm going to set a stop loss so I only lose a couple bucks if I do. Nice high R&R. Man, I can't believe it's 5:30. I gotta, after this, I'm gonna get off. I've been saying that probably for an hour now. Been scalping for like 3 hours, and I've got nothing to show for it. I've gotten my ass kicked. Above this, I've got this level at 270, 292.70. What is that? 292.77. Oh, you meant okay. My bad, bro. Sorry, like I said, I think my brain's a little bit fried right now. That's why I know I need to take a break. I'm just making stupid mistakes. It's got strong momentum, honestly, to the upside right now. Nice. Needed that candle. This could be a support to resistance flip here at 289.80, like at 290. Hello? What are you doing in my house? Said, what are you doing in my house?
Did you think I was your girlfriend? Your other girlfriend?
Yeah, you're gonna run into her.
Jill needed some more time, so I went to Shoppers. I went to the bank and then I went to Shoppers. There was some cute days.
Nice. Have you fed Milo?
This morning,
You did?
did you feed him twice?
No, I'm just making sure. That just dawned on me. Damn, we got 11 people watching live? I can't remember the last time we hit 10 people. As sad as that is, but appreciate everyone that's showing up, watching right now. I know I'm being kind of boring, but just watching price. Nice candle here. Look at that, 289.31. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm just gonna say I'm up like 40% on this now. 288.87. I think I'm just gonna take this. Just took it. Hey, it's a well. What's up, bro? I was listening to you talk the other day. That's funny that you showed up. I was listening to you talk on Spaces. I like popping in every once in a while. You gotta tell these guys to give me another invite. I haven't been getting any invites to the Spaces recently. I'm like, no, what did I do to these guys? Oh, actually, I know what I did. I was not showing up. I was being like, oh, I'll be there today, and then I would fuck off and forget about it. So they probably were just sick of booking me and me not showing up. But trying to be a little bit more active on the social side of things right now. So, man, I keep getting. Wow, I continued down, but I keep getting terrible fucking fills. That market order, I was up 40%, and it gave me, my fill was at 32%. With fees, I ended up walking away with 28. It's annoying. Watch, now this thing's gonna dive to 287. Yeah, bro, you put it, I mean, you run that shit now. Wealth, get me in there. Give me 2 seconds. I hear a car alarm going off. I'm just gonna make sure it's not mine. Hey, you got the keys on you? No, I'm just gonna order food. Yeah. Damn, it did retrace lower. Of course. Fuck my life. Like, honestly, I'm having terrible exits, like, and on top of, like, I could have got squeezed some more out of that, it filled me terribly. Terrible fill. Is this your full time? Yeah. I mean, this between trading income and then I get some kickback from some of the exchanges that I work with, so I'll get some commissions from that. But yeah. What?
White hair.
No, you don't. Oh my god. Alright, we gotta break up. We gotta break up. I'm like Leonardo DiCaprio. No one wants to see that. No one wants to see you being old. No one wants to see.
I am like.
Let's see your white hairs.
This is like the second one I've ever found in my head. What does this mean? What does this mean for me?
Please leave. There's important things happening.
This is important. Look. Here, I'll keep it for you.
Yeah, perfect. I'll keep it. Sounds good. Aren't you supposed to be like at dinner?
Yeah, I'm going
or
to.
something?
I'm like, I can't go now.
No, you
I
can't.
might die on the way.
Damn, look at Ethereum at 2130. This is big right now. We're over that volume shelf on Ethereum. Big move. If it can get over 2140, it'd be bigger, but you're gonna go to Spago's in that?
Well, Jill says she's wearing sweatpants, a baseball cap, and a sweater.
When did we become trash?
I'm just going off what Jill's
I'm just fucking with you. You look fine. You look fine for a lady that's growing white hairs. Alright. Listen, I've got 10 or 11 people watching right now, and I don't want them to click off because they gotta listen to your shit.
Don't worry, I only abuse them in private. show this. Have like a help me.
I need to learn Morse
need-
code with my eyes.
You need a help me signal.
Help.
I'm actually so excited to eat food.
That's good that you're excited to eat food. You sound like you're like a supermodel. I'm actually so excited to eat food. Is this what like you regular people do? That you like eat food?
Good food.
Unbelievable. I took wow, I didn't even notice how many shitty trades I took in a row.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh.
6. Oh my god. And then I hit a good one, and then a bad one, and then a good one. What the fuck is wrong with me? Ugh.
Not every trade is gonna be a win.
Yeah, but not every trade needs to lose. that's I think what we need to be more concerned about. Check BTC. Yeah, I am. I have to take off this overlay, but I've been watching. I've got it in one of my tabs, so I'm always looking at price.
Oh my god, what is this?
I feel like I'm like, I don't even know what this music is pissing me off. Damn, yeah, BTC retested that high there, eh? The fuck is this? Oh, that's what I was doing. I want to check liquidity on BTC. So there's a pretty big, look at this, 192 million short intensity at 72,081. That's going to be big. Next biggest level from there is 73.9. There's a nice gap in liquidity here between 73.1 and 73.6 too. So if we break over 73.1, should pump. I don't know if I don't talk into the mic, is it too quiet? I always forget to hold this thing. But yeah, judging by the liquidity here, it's a decent wall. Just at 72 is like 200 million worth of short liquidity. So what?
Mal has reserve.
Not even in his bag?
There is nothing.
Really? Fuck. Alright, I might have to end the stream actually earlier because I'm gonna have to go get some dog food. Let me check. See if the time this place is open till. Yeah, yeah. No 72k yet. Damn, pet value closes in 13 minutes. Or 23 minutes. I might have to just run out now. It closes in 20 minutes. It closed at 6. Fuck. Oh, yeah, look at that. 72, and it broke through. See, when that liquidity breaks, it snaps. So we could see a pretty violent move to the upside now. Yeah. Shit. Yeah. Are you gonna go or should I go?
I'll just go.
Okay. Just get him a small bag. Actually pretty happy I didn't have to go. Because now that Bitcoin's breaking over 72, I want to see what happens here. Yeah, no, luckily she's just going because she's leaving anyway. Thank God. Come on. Do something for me. Problem with scalp trading like this is it gets so like it's like a drug. Like I swear to God. I start and then I'm like, all right, I'm locking in. There we go. Broke that 5-minute support on Tau. Gap down. Bitcoin about to what? Well, my guess there was that Bitcoin is going to break through that liquidity shelf at 72. Now that we have 72.2 is going to be a big level. Sorry guys, 1 second. Hello? Hello? Eh. It's Origin 6 fish. It's the 100%. Yep, they do. Origin 6 fish. Oh, beautiful that candle. Okay. Yeah, you should see it. It's there. It's a different layout than the other one that we go to. Okay. Yeah, found it? There's like 3 different sizes. There's small, medium, large. Okay. Bye. Fuck.
Took a small long on Tau. Hey, what's up? Hello? Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, no problem. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Fuck! No way it just knifed through that. What are the chances of that?
I feel like I'm listening to the background music of some medicine commercial. Get your GLP-1 now. Have you tried Ozempic? BTC coming back down to test 70K. BTC could be finding us a top here. Telling you that 72-2 wall is no joke. Like we were saying, this is it's a shit ton of short liquidity here. Like 100 million short there. $100x BTC. I don't know, bro. I don't know about that. There's a lot of momentum to the upside still. It could be. I mean, it wouldn't have been a bad play to do it at 72.2 with the first time we hit it. I need my revenge. Yeah, I know what you're saying. Trust me, I feel that right now. It looks like we've kind of got like an inverse head and shoulders on Tao right now. On the 5 minute, if you look at that, we got the head here. Shit, where are my patterns? If you can even see through this whole mess, but shoulder. Actually, sorry. This kind of seems like the neckline here. Yeah, it's back up. The more times it tested, the weaker it's gonna get. And if that breaks, then longs will pay. What the fuck did I do to my chart? Fuck, like I'm like messing around with my chart and I... Why is this a line chart now? Like what the fuck did I do? Dude, I fucked up so hard by focusing on that. God damn it. Yeah, I just fucked up. I hit it in the middle of it, and then
I didn't have a stop loss set, so I lost like twice what I wanted to lose on that trade. Sorry if I got frustrated there for a second. The UI was just frustrating the fuck out of me. I'm like, why is this like this now? What did I even click? Oh, the stupid things you can do. Alright guys, I'm gonna take a break. Yeah. Anytime. I'll be back on probably later. I don't know. I did it. I've been on for like 3.5 hours now, so I'm gonna take a nice break, eat, hopefully come back a little rejuvenated. Watch BTC. That 72 level is still holding strong. I mean, it broke out. I guess it did break out over to 72.3 for a minute, but right back down again. All right, I'll post a tweet. Keep my tweet notifications on if I come back on or if I plan on doing another stream. I'll post something. If not, I'm definitely gonna post a couple of charts anyway. Either way.